अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, वेलकम है आपके मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पाइपिंग नॉलेज में। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट एक्सप्लेन द एसेंशियल स्टेप फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द fabrication. Whenever you go for before start the piping fabrication, a spool fabrication, that need to be some important point you need to be care. First of all, check the availability of the material. Whenever you need to start the fabrication, must be check your material available or not available. Second thing is collect the markup PNID, isometric and GTA, and general arrangement drawing and MTO list. MTO means material takeoff. You taking from the material from the client, that material takeoff list, how many material available in our store. Next, the finalize the total scope, how many number of and the number of spool system wise, spec wise, means how many number of spool you need to be to go fabrication, how many inch dia, and which material, like carbon steel, stainless steel, alloy steel. These are different aspect. Now I am talking about locate the space where you need to go for fabrication. Locate the space and fabrication yard, make a fabrication yard. After that, you require, next point is require the power connection. Without power connection you cannot start the fabrication, so need your proper power connection. After that, finalize the contactor and mobilization start, because you need to go the start the fabrication first of all you need to finalize the contactor, otherwise our manpower, you hire the manpower for the contactor for the piping work. After that, arrange the tailor, hydra, crane, etc for the mobilization, for the shifting the material from store to fabrication yard, or fabrication yard to blasting, and anywhere where you require the storage, that area you need to shift the material. After that, prepare the aspect wise material storage yard. Aspect wise means you need to mandatory, if you have a SS material they need to be put in separate, if you have a CS material they need to be put separate, and the LY they need to be put the separate, because you cannot mix all the spool after the fabrication or before the fabrication also, because have a aspect different escape have a different aspect, have a different fabrication area. You already marked with the area, this area for the CS, this area for SS, this area for alloy steel, as per your aspect wise. Collect the required material from your warehouse और स्टोर से आपको मटेरियल कलेक्ट करना है. मेक द फैब्रिकेशन शेड्यूल, कि आप फैब्रिकेशन शेड्यूल बनाएंगे कि आज के डेट में हाउ मेनी इंच डाया नीड टू बी फैब्रिकेट एज पर योर ओवरऑल प्लान. After that, schedule of per day and the required that need to be achieved this schedule, how many number of the number of manpower you required. Like if you need a 50-inch dia or 100-inch dia per day or 200-inch dia per day, that as per you calculate how many welder required for that 100-inch dia. If you need a 100-inch dia, means 5 welder minimum requirement, that 5 welder for only for welding, then after that for 1 or 2 welder for the fit up purpose. That's you need to be calculate the how many manpower you require. If you need a 500-inch dia per day, as per 500-inch dia, how many welder requirement, how many crew requirement, that all detail you want to be prepare of the one list. Make a fabrication schedule, inch dia, how many inch dia per day requirement, as per your scope, as per your client timing. Okay, after that, machinery required for, as per this manpower, as per detail your manpower, you arrange the machinery item, all this manpower. Prepare the temporary stand. Before fabrication you must be prepare the stand of the temporary stand for the fabrication spool. Prepare the fabricated spool yard. After that, your spool is fabricated, going to be shift the spool yard. After that, sandblasting yard. After that, dark room for the after your welding doing NDT testing, NDT activity, that NDT activity for the radiography testing, that dark room also need to be prepared. Prepare a standard format for you must be prepared for the standard format for the fit up inspection, welding, grinding, that kind of activity. For the report on the manpower or manpower report also. Record daily material received from the warehouse, issue to site as per the isometric drawing. Prepare a WPS, welding procedure specification, PQR, performance qualification report, and the welder test fabrication, welder test also, WQT, welder qualification test. These all need to be prepared. After that, as per the spec wise, means CS welder different, SS welder different, low steel welder different, pipe fitter can be, then after that the pipe blasting yard need to be prepared. These all the preparation before start the piping fabrication. Because of this you need to arrange everything, then you start the work only. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, then share and subscribe. These are the step wise before starting piping fabrication.